Well, it's another day in the fidget shop. Just wait a minute. Hi.
That took far too long.
What are you here to do? Are you here to buy fidgets, donate fidgets, sell fidgets, or fidget trade?
Why would it look like I want to donate when I've got a credit card in my hand?
Sorry, I was just asking a question.
Or maybe if you came quicker, you wouldn't get much complaints.
Alright. What are you looking for today?
I'm looking for all your squishes and fidgets.
Sorry, but I can't sell you all that. I'm going to get my water gun and come outside and spray you right now. Nobody disrespects my shop like that.
I'm gonna get payback. This is war!
You get 2 free fidgets, but you have to pay for the rest.
How about I get all the fidgets, I pay for 10.
You get 2 fidgets free, you get 10 fidgets. I'm gonna give him some really bad fidgets and I'm gonna scam him. So I'm gonna give him this tube it. This fake Starbucks needle. M&M squishy. You can't go wrong. Like, this is good. So at least it gets one good thing. This dog. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we get 2 free. Right, you ready to pay?
Yep.
That will be £52.75p. No, actually 97p. And that's not including the free things. Can you please pay? Insert it, please.
I can't.
Can you put in your pin? Now put it at the side. Let me just check it's accepted. Yes. Here are your fidgets.
Thanks. Why did you give me so bad fidgets?
Well, you was mean to me, so that's payback.
Well, I don't like these fidgets, so I might as well just throw them.
You know, you've paid for them. Well, at least I get extra money.
But I'm keeping this one.
Okay, then. And goodbye.
Hey, no.
Why?
Because, hey,
I'm locking it.
hey! I'm gonna fill my water gun back up and I'll get you.
Next time you come. Because you're going to be banned.
Ha! You.
I'm going to close this window so then you can't come back.
Good.